In our Angular monorepo, we start by configuring the main app routing. Here, we import the router module and define our routes. Notice the feature path. Instead of directly referencing a module, it has a load children property. This function uses dynamic import, indicated by the import call, to return a promise. This promise resolves with the feature module when this path is accessed. This technique is what we refer to as lazy loading, which greatly improves our app's initial load time. Now let's dive into the feature module. This is the module that will be loaded lazily. It starts with standard ing module imports. We define feature routes, which are the child routes of this feature module. These routes are configured with RouterModule for child instead of for root because they are nested inside the main routing. This module's root is an empty path, indicating that it's the default root of the lazy loaded module. Finally, we declare the components belonging to this module and import necessary Angular modules.